Range assault. So I did even the emergency reload with the my support. No speed, slow-mo, build your movement. Remember, always safety first. Remember to switch, every time you switch the gun, the fingers, the index are straight and not curved. So when we switch the gun, we switch in this way. So when we hold the gun in the other side, we're already in the proper position. Then we go back as we do with a strong. Remember, control the finger here. You can have less control than you're strong. So be sure to do all the manipulation in the comfort zone, in the work zone, straight to the target. So this is a warm-up, step 2. Now we're going to do 20 yards, step 3. And then we are going to move for ICTS on the line of fire.
Camera ready?
Ready. Range assault. First miss. So 20 yards, 1 miss. This is a good drill. So next step, we are going to work. Again, we are going shorter with resistance, and this time we are going to use the ICTS with no shoot in the line of fire. Stay tuned.